Deep within the Amazon, where ancient secrets lie, a new era of innovation is dawning. A hidden facility harnesses nature's profound wisdom. Inside, cutting-edge labs hum with activity. Scientists meticulously work, transforming raw potential into revolutionary materials. Our inspiration? The golden silk orb weaver. A master engineer, its delicate web holds secrets of unparalleled strength and resilience. Through advanced genetic engineering, we decode nature's blueprint, replicating the spider's silk protein at a molecular level. Massive bioreactors now produce this golden protein, an industrial marvel, scaling nature's genius for human benefit. From liquid protein, a single, ultra-thin strand emerges, instantly solidifying into a fiber stronger than steel, yet incredibly light. Robotic precision mimics the spider's intricate weaving. Thousands of movements per second, crafting perfection with every turn. A small spool, yet its significance is immense. This material promises a future of lightweight, high-performance defense. Advanced 3D weaving chambers construct complex structures. Layer by layer, a golden honeycomb matrix takes shape, engineered for impact. A flash of energy, and the transformation is complete. The silk hardens, becoming an impenetrable shield, ready for anything. In a ballistic testing chamber, a mannequin awaits. Dressed in a 2mm silk shirt, it faces the ultimate test. A bullet strikes, but the silk holds firm. The impact energy disperses, protecting what lies beneath with incredible efficiency. Scientific visualization reveals the magic. Kinetic energy spreads harmlessly across the hexagonal matrix, absorbed and dissipated. From the rainforest's delicate web to high-tech defense, nature continues to inspire. The future of biomaterials is here, stronger than ever.